Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious tomato soup without any added oil. We'll start by gathering our fresh ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of ripe tomatoes, 1 medium onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and some vegetable broth. Make sure to wash and core your tomatoes, then chop them roughly. Dice the onion and mince the garlic to prepare for cooking. This simple preparation sets the stage for a flavorful and healthy meal. Next, we'll begin cooking our aromatics without oil. Instead of oil, we'll use a splash of vegetable broth to sauté the diced onion and minced garlic in a pot. Cook them gently for about 5 to 7 minutes until the onion becomes soft and translucent. Once fragrant, add your chopped tomatoes and approximately 4 cups of vegetable broth to the pot. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Now let the soup simmer gently for about 20 to 25 minutes. You'll know it's ready when the tomatoes are very soft and easily break apart with a spoon. This ensures all the flavors have developed fully. Carefully transfer the hot soup to a blender, or if you have one, use an immersion blender directly in the pot. Be cautious when blending hot liquids to avoid any splashes. Finally, blend the soup until it's completely smooth and wonderfully creamy. Once blended, return it to the pot to warm through. Now is the perfect time to season your soup with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a generous amount of fresh basil or your favorite herbs. Serve this healthy, oil-free tomato soup warm, perhaps with a sprinkle of fresh parsley. Enjoy your homemade, wholesome creation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.